Hello everyone, my name is Gina Long and I am one of your friendly academic officers here at Teacher Created Materials. I arrived in this country 35 years ago. No language, no assimilation, and no acculturation. This truly made my life in the United States a little bit of a challenge. As a former newcomer and English language learner, I am beyond excited to introduce a game changer in ESL education, Engage Newcomers. Engage Newcomers is an at-home product that has been specifically designed for PreK all the way through 12th grade students who are new to the United States and do not speak English already. This take-home backpack aims to help ease the transition into the school system for newcomer students. This must-have tool is designed to help newcomers confidently conquer the challenges of a new school environment and a new language. Engage Newcomers provides families with the resources to help their children adapt and succeed in their new schools. This backpack gives students basic survival English words, phrases, and experiences needed to interact in social situations at school, home, and around their communities. It also helps them get through the tough initial days in a new school with a new language. Inside your backpack, you will find a family guide, an English words to know book, 3 engaging books, flashcards, and basic school supplies. So let's begin with the family guide. The family guide provides supportive information for newcomer families. It also has ideas on how to use the components and the flashcards. It has English common phrases and, let me add this. It is important to know that there are digital versions of this guide that are available in multiple languages via this QR code. Now let's take a quick look at the English Words to Know book. It is a full color book that includes 115 keywords and definitions that help learners quickly expand their English vocabulary. Each word has a picture and a definition, and even extra space for students to write their own notes about each of the words. It also has charts with common groupings, such as colors and numbers and letters and so on. This book comes as an e-book that is easily accessible via QR code. Each backpack also contains 3 engaging books, science, social studies themes, and even a book that illustrates typical experiences in the United States to help students adjust to their new environment. These books are also available as read-along ebooks. Now let's explore the flashcards. Included is a pack of flashcards of important words for newcomers to learn, including basic commands, words relating to school, personal identifiers, feelings, and even question words. Each card has a full color image on one side and a word on the other side. And finally, let's explore the last component, the basic school supplies. Each backpack is nicely equipped with a pencil, a highlighter, and a spiral notebook. These supplies set the students on the path to success from the very beginning by giving them the chance and the ability to highlight, write, and record important information. Well, there you have it. You have seen all of the components to engage newcomers and how easy it is to use it at home. This resource is user-friendly and engaging, which makes it easy to navigate and implement. We are certain that it will help fill the gap in communication that newcomers experience once they arrive here in the United States. We are so excited about Engage Newcomers and the hope that it brings to our families. It is a viable solution for educators, administrators, but overall, families who want to help students get acclimated and ready to develop academically and socially. To learn more about educational products like Engage Newcomers, please visit our website. Until next time.